Collision Care Express is a full automotive repair facility specializing in collision repairs. We've been serving our South Florida community since 2007. I am Robert Molina with Collision Care Express in Pompano Beach, Florida. We offer many products and services to our clients, including quick turnaround on all automotive repairs and the most advanced collision repair technology available in our industry. We are known for our great customer service to attention to detail to all of our customers and repairs. Also, the trust that they put into Collision Care Express for all their collision repair needs. At the end of the day, the most important thing to me is seeing the smile on my client's face when they see their vehicle look beautiful again. For all your collision repair needs, go with the best,
Collision Care Express.